Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Samsung Captivate. I picked this phone up on a Facebook marketplace for $20. It didn't come with the headphones, but that's alright. So, here's the left side of the box, the top, the right side. There's the bottom, the back, and then the front obviously has a picture of the phone. It's kind of like a glossy imprint too. It's pretty cool. This is the phone. I think this came out in, let me see, I think it was like 2011. Looks like 2010. So there's the phone. Let's see, you get, welcome to AT&T. A GPS navigation with the AT&T Navigator, a quick start guide, health and safety and warning guide. It's also known as the SGH-I897, but also known as the Captivate as its like nickname. There's a little divider. I think there's supposed to be the owner's manual in here, but it doesn't have that. Here is the 1500 milliamp hour battery. You got a wall charger. And then the USB to, I think it's micro USB. Let's go pull this over here. This phone has a really cool back cover design. You push this bottom chin down to get the back cover off. So we have an AT&T SIM card. I haven't actually set this phone up like at all, so we might have to do some of that. And there's that. Wet screen down, it's fingerprinty. On the left side, you have your volume rockers. On the bottom, it looks like you have a microphone cut out. On the right side, you have a power key. On the top, you have a 3.5mm headphone jack and your micro USB charging port. Let startup sound come up. I always like the older Galaxy startup sounds, are pretty cool. On the rear, you have your camera. I don't think it says what megapixel it is. 5 megapixel, 720p rear video recording. You got your speakerphone cut out. This is a metal back with a really cool carbon fiber look to it. And then you have your battery release, or your back cover release. You also have a micro SD card slot. On the front of the phone, you have your typical Android keys at the time. It does have Android. I think it's, let's see what it's running. Let's take a look here. It's so different than the newer Android. Let's see. It's running 2.1. It looks like. I think it's, I probably have to get AT&T to unlock it. I think it's locked to AT&T still, but pretty cool looking phone. It's got a AMOLED panel as well. Alrighty, hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and stay tuned for the next one.